All right, this is a quick overview of the Khronos Lite handle as well as some of the limitations of the handle. So to start, you power it on with the record button, hold it down, it'll tell you the current battery life on the side. This will not give you any information regarding connection status or what mode it is currently in. It will also not function when the unit is off or charging. This will only tell you battery life when the unit is powered on. So to start, there's two ways to connect this, the first being to the native camera app, and you can do so just through the normal Bluetooth menu. Once it appears, if you go to connect, you're going to have two options. It will either connect normally, letting you know you are in fact in the native camera mode. However, if it does not connect, like it looks like is the case here, that means that you are in the Blackmagic mode. So that is going to tell us that we need to triple press the function button, 1, 2, 3. And then now, without even doing anything, this kind of natively found its connection. So I can see that I'm connected for native camera. If you have any kind of connection issues, you can press the function button 5 times to clear all of your Bluetooth settings. That fixes most issues 9 times out of 10. So the only other setting we'll need to do before we can use the native camera is in the accessibility page. And going over to zoom, we're just going to want to enable that. You might not read the text before doing so, but it is going to zoom in and require 3 fingers to tap to kind of zoom out. But as long as zoom is on, you'll be good to go. And then we can go into the native camera, and then both in photo and video, we have control for zoom and shutter, a few different options. You can half hold the shutter button, you can record for video. You can do everything in the native camera app except set focus. That'll just be for Blackmagic. So as we're swapping over to Blackmagic, the main thing to know is that you will need to disconnect from your current Bluetooth connection. So if I change 1, 2, 3, it should automatically disconnect, but if you're having any issues, just go ahead and forget this device. Make sure that there's no chance it is connecting through the phone's Bluetooth. You'll want to keep the phone Bluetooth on, but you're not going to want to connect through the settings page when you're using the Blackmagic app. All you need to do for Blackmagic, as you can see, this is our main page, the settings feature in the corner. You just want to scroll down near the bottom, make sure use Bluetooth is on, but then select nucleus wireless lens control, and then this handle should appear. If for some reason it's not connecting, triple press the function button. If for some reason it's not connecting to either, press the function button 5 times to completely clear, reset the phone, turn off Bluetooth. It's kind of the normal troubleshooting. Sometimes it can take a moment to get it fully connected, but once connected, you have the same options. You can hold down function for a faster zoom. There does seem to be a little firmware thing in the Blackmagic app. When it first connects, it'll zoom all the way in, so you'll just need to zoom out. But yeah, all of your functions, including focus and the record button, all kind of work. So keep in mind as you power this off, you may need to repeat these steps each time you connect, especially if a longer period of time has passed. But if you have any questions, please let us know. Shoot us an email, support@tilta.com. This should be enough to kind of get you up and running in terms of the basics. Thanks, guys.